Hey everybody! All right, so we have a whiteboard in front of us. We have a marker. We're going to show some things we already know. So take a look at this 10 frame. We call it a 10 frame because there are 10 boxes. I see some red dots. Tell me what you see and explain what you see. So if I saw this one, I would say I know there are 5 dots in 5 boxes, right? So I would say this is 5, really quick, because I see it full. If I saw one less, I would say 4, right? So I can use that 5 to help build some new numbers. Let's take a peek. Here's the next one. I want you to tell me what you see. All right, remember how I talked about how there were 5 up on the top? I'm going to use that 5 and I'm going to count on 6, 7. 5 plus 2 more equals 7 altogether, right? So I used the 5 and I built from there. I didn't just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I knew the 5 and counted the 6 and the 7. That's how I did it. Now there are other ways to see this. You could imagine a different person would say, I know this whole thing when it's full is 10, right? And then I'm going to count backwards, 9, 8, 7. So they actually did a very different problem. They did 10, take away these 3 that were missing, but they got the same answer, 7. So if you're counting on or if you're counting back, tell me what you see. Next one. What do you see on this one? Definitely the 5 plus 4 more. I could definitely see kids talking about 5 and 4. And then counting those on, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? But I think the quicker way to do this is that count back we hinted at the last one. 10, right, would be a full 10 frame, but we're missing 1. So really we have 10 take away a little bit. Both ways, whether you're adding up or if you're counting back a little bit, will get you 9. All right, this next one I put in there just to get you thinking. What do you see? Well, first thing I can tell you is we could flip those around and see 4 plus 5 if you're counting the red dots. You could definitely do that same 10 take away 1, right? You could do that. 10 take away 1. And you could tell me the answer is 9. I could imagine a lot of people telling me there are 9 here. But what if someone said, well, I see a set of red dots plus a set of white dots, and all together they give me 10 dots. So I could actually hear a second grader telling me the answer is 10 and explaining their thinking and me saying, great job. Same problem, different answer, and I would still say, great job. It just depends on your explanation. Some people think when you are doing math, it's right or it's wrong. This sort of problem is going to tell you that there are lots of right answers, and it all depends on how you explain them. Thanks for doing a quick review with me of some dots. I'll meet you on the next slide. Bye now.